What's going on, guys? We're going to do a little technical analysis on Nvidia. So Nvidia had a little bit of a pullback today off the open, put in a nice move, to be honest, over the pre-market highs, over yesterday's highs. You can see that first hour candle really exploded, put in a high at 483.88, went all the way up to 485, then pulled back. So on the big chart, if you guys are utilizing the big chart, if you guys are in evolution traders, you guys I've already shared this chart, how to set it up. But notice the pullback for 3 hours into the rising 10-day moving average, the bounce. We have FOMC today. We did, explode off of that. The level that I'm looking for next is 486. You can see that's today's highs. If we can get over 486, I'll scroll over to the daily chart here. We've got open skies, right? So notice on the daily chart, over 486 can start to test the highs from November the 29th. That's sitting at around 487.83. A confirmation this week over 486 could really start to rocket this thing back all the way up to 500, if I'm being completely honest here. So if you are looking for a potential play on Nvidia, let's wait for 486 to get confirmed. Maybe that happens tomorrow, maybe it happens next week, but whenever 486 gets confirmed, that's definitely going to be a play that you're going to want to be involved in, so you can make a little bit of cash on the way up here. If you are a swing trader, we are back over the 5, 10, 20-day moving averages. So how you play swing trades is, if you're oversupply, you use a previous day's low as your stop. So your stop would be anywhere below 476, and that's today's low, 475. You would have to get out of that. We definitely lose the 5-day moving average. You got to get out of that. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. You just wait for the next, potential swing play. But again, if you are looking for a swing, anything over 486, we would like to realistically ride this up back close to 400. See if you can make some cash on that. Again, just wanted to kind of pass this information along in case anyone was looking at the video or kind of wondering about the price action. If you guys enjoyed the video and you want to see more technical analysis videos like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.